Get ready, Ninja Turtle fans, because your four favorite anthropomorphic turtles are returning to the world of video games. Welcome to GadInsider, your place for the latest tech and gaming news. Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles Empire City is coming to take to their world with its release on the MetaQuest, Steam VR, and Pico. Since it's a VR game, it's made by VR game company Cortopia Studios and will retail for $25. Empire City is a first-person action game that you'll be able to play solo. You can also take up to 4 friends to play with you in the co-op version. So basically, it means that all 4 of the turtles are playable. We've seen a lot of the quartet flexing their fighting forms in games over the years, but this is the first time appearing in a standalone VR title. In addition to the shelled heroes, the first part of the new game's trailer gives us a sneak peek of other familiar figures from the series. You can expect to see characters such as Karai of the Foot Clan and Ripped Rhino Rocksteady. And of course, April is there providing pizza and intel. The game is dropping on the set platforms this month. So whether you want to be Leonardo, Raphael, Michelangelo, or Donatello, mark your calendars for April 30th. You're about to have an experience. For more updates, subscribe to GadInsider, like and share the video, and don't forget to press the bell icon so you never miss any update.